In this animated video, we will learn about transformer. We will discuss here its principle, construction, and working. Transformer is basically used to change the voltage output according to the requirement. Its basic components are laminated iron core, input coils, and output coils. Transformer can increase or decrease the output voltage and output current. There are two types of transformer. First is step-up transformer. This transformer increases the output voltage as compared to input voltage. In step-up transformer, number of turns in secondary coil are more than number of turns in primary coils. Second is step-down transformer. This transformer decreases the output voltage while increases its output current. In this transformer, number of turns in secondary coil are less than number of turns in primary coils. First of all, we will discuss about the laminated iron core. The iron core is not used as a single piece of iron, but it consists of thin layers of iron sheets insulated by some insulators in between the two layers of it. Here we can see that different iron sheets are separated by insulators in between them. These insulator helps to reduce or minimize the eddy currents in the iron core. Now we will discuss about its working. It works on the principle of mutual induction between two neighboring coils. The time-varying or alternating current is applied in primary coils of the transformer and output voltage is obtained on its secondary coil. This transformer can change only that voltage which vary with time. It cannot be used to change the constant voltage or direct voltage. Flux of the primary coil also passes through its neighboring coils. If flux in the primary coil gets changed, then flux of the secondary coil will also change. According to Faraday's law, this changing flux will induce M4 current in secondary coil. When iron core is not used in between two coils, then only some part of flux of first coil will pass through the second. Here you can see that complete flux of first coil is not passing through the second coil. This is called flux loss of the second coil. Due to flux loss, the obtained output voltage in secondary coil will be less than its actual value. To minimize this flux loss, we use iron core in between the two coils. As we know that magnetic field lines prefer to pass through the ferromagnetic substances like iron, cobalt, and nickel. When iron core inserted between the coils, we can see here that the flux of the primary coil now passing completely through the secondary coil, with the help of this iron core. So finally we can say the iron core helps to minimize the flux loss. Flux loss means energy loss because each flux contains some energy within it. Thanks and subscribe this channel for further animated videos.